This is Vytautas from nvweb.com, and today I would like to talk about Impress Pages CMS. First try impressions of brand new version 4 of this CMS that was released a couple of days ago, and I just would like to try it on my local host, to install it at first, and after that I would like to add some basic content here and just to see how it works. So why I would like to talk about this CMS, why it's important for me. I think the major thing why it makes big among the competitors is because it has a drag and drop interface that you can add your content in non-traditional way. It means you can add your content just simply dragging and dropping page objects, like for example images, content blocks, forms, and so on, and this way content management becomes really quickly and really efficient way to manage your website. Okay, so and I have also to mention that this CMS won open source awards. That was in 2011, and it was best of the best open source project among such heavyweight competitors like jQuery, PrestaShop, Joomla, Blender, and others. So it was one of the most promising projects at that moment. So actually that is a very important award, because it's like, let's say, Grammys in music, or Oscars in movie industry. So, and since that time, guys are still moving forward and releasing awesome versions of this CMS to open source community. Okay, so let's get down to business, and they have a web page where you can find some documentation about this CMS, or basic information. Also their blog, plugins, also some themes, and so on. So you can get the latest version straight from this website. What I actually did. Okay, so I already downloaded the latest version, so let's install it on my local host at first, I think. Okay. So I have the Impress Pages CMS in my downloads directory. So I will just copy paste all the directories and folders to public folder of my test localhost, and I'm using Midnight Commander. Okay, of course you can do the copy pasting with your let's say graphical file manager, but you don't have to forget to copy htaccess file to your public folder, because if you miss it, so the CMS won't work properly after the installation, because URL writing won't work, and you probably won't be able to work with it correctly. And as you know, in Linux, all the files that have dot in front are hidden files, and you simply cannot see it in your graphical file manager, except you edit your preferences and you view all the hidden files as well. So in this case, you will be able to view such kind of files. Okay. So actually, I have my files in place. So let's try to install it. Okay, so I started the installation. So I choose English language. Okay. And okay, system check fails because I need file directory writable, also theme directory writable, and config file writable. So what I can do is just to chown the files, and I think it would be fastest solution at the moment. Okay, so I'm just okay, public, so I just type sudo chown recursive, okay, so I'm setting web service rights, Apache rights on wall folder. So okay, password, and that's it. Should be okay. Alright, so the rights are okay. I think it would be great to have FTP layer support like other CMS have, for example Joomla. It has FTP layer support, so you don't have to take care about all the permission stuff and so on, because for example, if you're managing virtual dedicated servers, so it's not a big problem to add some custom rights or custom permissions on each folder. But let's say if you have some shared hosting, so this might be a problem, because of course you can set different permissions for different folders, but this might be a bit frustrating. So the FTP layer support would be a great advantage, I think. Okay, so next, okay, accept, and now I have to add some database data here. Okay, and I hit next. So it seems that something is happening, but when I hit next, so it seems that something is happening, but actually I don't see any progress. So I miss some kind of progress bar or something that indicates that something is going on. Actually, if I take a look at the database, so I would see that all the tables are in place. So all the tables were deployed during the installation, but still it would be good to to know that that something is going on. I mean, the progress bar. Actually, it's a minor thing, but still. Okay, oops, test 5. Okay, without vweb.com test 5. Okay, leaving the time zone. Okay, so that's it. So the installation is actually very quick, and you can install it actually in no time. So after installation, don't forget to delete installation folder. That is here, install. So, but at the moment I'm not deleting it because I'm in my test local host, so I actually do not care much about it. Okay, so I'm just opening homepage. So this is how it looks. Actually, it is empty layout or empty template that contains only a few text blocks. So what I would like to do here, so just to try adding some extra content, for example, about us, let's say services, gallery, and contacts. So that's pretty basic content that you can find on mainly on all brochure websites. So at first I have to log in to administration zone. Okay, so I'm already logged in, and the interface is pretty simple, and now let's try to do something here. So at first I would like to create the menu items. Okay, so I would like to go pages, here. So we have 3 different menus here. So my menu is menu 1, and I have home and lorem ipsum. Okay, so I'm adding new one. It would be about us. I choose this item as visible. Okay, probably I can delete this one. Yep, sure. About us, services. Okay, also gallery. Okay, videos, let's say, and contacts. I added one extra item, means what is called videos. So we will try to add some videos in this section. Okay, so what do we have in page properties? So we have title, URL path, in other words it is called slug, or alias. So actually it is generated automatically, and we can select a different layout for each of the menu item. So I would like to choose home layout, because if you take a look, so okay, I will just copy paste. So yeah, all the menu items appeared, and as you remember, we had lorem ipsum item that I hit it in the beginning of the this video, so it has different layout. So it had some it had few columns on the page, and the left column had some information, and the main text was going in the right column. So I would like to keep everything simple as it is on a home page. So okay, so yeah, so I'm choosing home page layout and save. Also here, home page, gallery, home page, and home page, and also home page. Okay, so we have menu items, so let's go to content section, and we can add some information inline, so we can add and see at the same time how it looks. Okay, so it says drag and drop here, add widgets from the top menu by dragging and dropping. Okay, so let's try. I would like to add some heading, H3, let's say about us. Yeah. Okay. And now I would like to add some text. I won't add some long lines here, and won't add very long text here, just some testing text, some basic information about our company. Okay, so we have text, and we can now save and publish. This is it. So this is published. Now let's go to services, and we also need some heading here. Say H3, and that would be services, right? And also need some text here. Check our latest services. Okay. Probably in services section I would like to add some tables. For example, okay, I can insert like this. Probably I need to set table properties. Okay, let it be 400 pixels wide, 400 pixels height, cell spacing 2, and cell padding, border 1, caption, I don't need caption, and alignment left. Okay. Okay, so we have the table here. So we can add some information here. Service 1, let's say. Service 2. Service 3. Okay, just copy paste would be faster. Okay, service 3, service 4, and service 5, let's say. Okay, some info here. Oops. Okay. Okay. Add some style here. Okay, formats. What else I can do here? Cell properties. Okay, what else can we choose? Table, column. Okay, so not much we can choose at the moment. Okay, so so we can just leave the table as it is. Probably we should add some styles on the table, but I think the styling should be done via CSS of our template CSS, let's say. Okay, so that's it. So we can hit save and publish. Okay, good. So now let's go to gallery and also add some heading here. Gallery h3, and now we need gallery. Yep. So add gallery, add new. Okay, so images. Okay, open images. So I just selected all the images, and I just can hit confirm. Yeah, that's it. So this is really simple to add images into gallery. Save and publish. We can try it. So about this, services, okay, gallery. Yeah, so we already have everything in place. Okay, good. Now let's add some videos. Okay, videos, h3, and okay, so we can YouTube. We can add some video. Let's say this one, and how to add video? It's simple actually. You can just drag and drop video icon, and video window opens, and you can add some information here. Okay, so I'm adding URL, hit confirm, and that's all. Sexy jazz. that's cool. Save, publish. Okay, and the last thing what you have to do is what I actually have to do, and what I would like to do is to add contacts. So as in previous sections, I am adding heading here, contacts, h3, and I'm adding form. So at the moment I have name, email, text, but what if I need some extra fields? So that is pretty simple actually. You just have to hit on your form, and you see all the available fields, and you can add new fields as well. Okay, so what I need let's say surname field, surname, also let's say phone field, and I think I need spam prevention field, captcha field. Please enter text. Okay. So now I need to change the ordering of the fields. Okay, so name, surname, let's say phone, email, text, and now we have to choose. Is it required to fill in these fields, or some of it may be left as optional? Okay, so let's say its name is required, surname required, phone optional, email required, text is required, and captcha fields also required. Yeah. And thank you message. So let's say thank you for your letter. Okay. So this thank you message will appear when I submit this form, and the visitor will see this message. Okay, so I hit confirm, and that is pretty simple actually. I have all the form in few minutes, and I don't need to code anything at all. Okay, and probably I need to add some text as well, because let's say my contacts as email or phone or something else, so I just can add, let's say, text here. Okay, so then don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, and let's say name, surname, Vytautas. Okay, phone. Okay, email, vytautas@vweb.com, and let's say my LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn. Okay, and I will add link on this as well, linkedin.com in Vytautas Cilinskas. Okay, so insert link, LinkedIn. Okay, so this is it. So I just have to save it and publish it. So I have home, about us, services, gallery, videos, and contacts sections in my web page. So I just can do a logout and refresh, and my web page is kind of ready to use. Of course, probably I would like to work a little bit more on tables, to add some styles here, but because I can't do the table really, how to say, it's not looking very good at the moment, but I think it would be very easy to change that appearance of this table. So also I have gallery, and very nice feature that allows me to switch image after image. Okay, I also have videos. Okay, and I can just view the videos and add as many videos as I want. And also you have the form with my basic contacts, and I can actually add the form, fill in the form fields and send the form. So as you see, you can start your website actually in no time. It takes a couple of minutes to add the information and you're good to go. So of course this website is kind of empty because this template is left empty for a purpose, because it's empty template that you can start building your project on. But actually it's a fresh start that you can start your project. So that's it. I'm actually looking forward to start some small projects with this CMS, to try, let's say, with my own projects to implement with this CMS and see how it works in reality, and how my clients will be about it. But I really hope that they will be very glad to see such handy features like a drag and drop and so on. So this CMS is really good for small and medium projects. Actually, I haven't tried the API that they suggest, but actually they have really good manuals here and some examples. So I think it won't take long to understand the structure and to build my own widgets or other components of this CMS. So I'm looking forward to start coding some widgets or some other cool component for this CMS. So that's it. You can try by yourself how it works. Just download it from impresspages.org and you're good to go. Okay, so if you have any more questions, so don't hesitate to write at my blog. And that's it. Good luck.